La paz del Señor, amigos y hermanos. Peace of the Lord, my brothers and friends. I am back with a new channel. Well, not channel, but new show. I know I've been gone for a long time. I used to do videos with my mom. Hacía videos con mi mamá, pero mi mamá se pone malita por veces y no puedo hacerlo. So, vengo con un new show que es con mi sobrino Mateo, que le ha agarrado interés de aprender a cocinar. So, my new show will be teaching my nephew, Matthew, how to cook, since he's so interested in learning. I will teach you my ways the best of my abilities. And vamos a hacer unos camarones entomatados. Y what are we going to make today, Matthew? Can you let our English speakers know?
We're going to make shrimp with tomato sauce.
It's going to be delicious. And what are our ingredients that we're going to need today?
We're going to need tomato, shrimp, onions.
And we're going to need a few seasonings that we'll talk about later. So vamos a necesitar tomate, camarones, cebolla y algunos sazoncitos ahí que les voy a decir cuáles uso yo. You're going to want to dice your onion very thin, like this, as you can see right here. También el tomate, we're going to want to dice our tomatoes as well. Voy a hablar en español, en Spanglish, okay? Y Mateo nos va a enseñar hoy cómo se corta el tomate. Come on, here you go. Can you tell them how you're supposed to cut, Matthew?
We're supposed to cut.
But how are we supposed to place our hand? Why?
With our knuckles forward, because if it's not forward, then we might cut our fingers.
Our fingers.
Fingers.
Yes. Go ahead.
So we're just gonna cut that off and cut. Done slicing all your veggies. Ya cuando terminemos de cortar todos nuestros vegetales and limpiado nuestro shrimp, I did take the poopy thing out of it. We're gonna come on, Jose. Matthew's gonna put some olive oil in the oil, in the pan. A little bit, okay, Matthew? Okay.
Go.
Tell me when to stop.
A little bit more. Okay, you can put a little bit more. Alright, I guess we can stop. Alright, stay right there, Matthew. I'm gonna hand you the onions. Go ahead. Go ahead, take them out. Like this, yes, like that. Okay, a little bit more. Go ahead. I'll just put them all. Whatever. Okay, move them with the spoon. And we're going to wait for them to cook a little, okay? Vamos a esperar que se cocinen un poco, así, mira. All of it, so all of it can get into the... We probably put a little too much onions, but it's okay. I love onions. Now mix that. Yep, from bottom to top. Be careful, don't split. Pull it out. Okay, we have our heat at medium high, okay? Okay, let it cook now for a little bit. Let me see. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit. Until the tomatoes get mushy. Okay, we're starting to see how the tomatoes starting to get very saucy, right?
Yeah.
This is when we want to add our garlic. So get like half a spoon of garlic. It says half a spoon.
Ah, ay. That's a lot of garlic. Ooh. Okay, whatever. Mix it. We're gonna go ahead and lower our heat because we don't want it to dry. Like this, not that. This is how you mix. So why do you think we don't add the garlic in the beginning when we're frying our onions, let's say?
I honestly don't know.
¿Por qué no agregamos nuestro ajo? Because it burns easily. Garlic burns easily. I've learned that the hard way.
How?
By burning garlic.
You have?
Yes, I have. That's how you learn how to cook, by making a lot of mistakes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. When it comes to seasoning, you do what your little heart tells you to do. Okay?
Okay.
So, let's get a spoonful of, we want it to taste like shrimp. That's the point that we're making shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead and put a lot of shrimp seasoning. That was about a spoon. So like half a spoon. And also matters what you're gonna eat it with. We're eating it with rice, which I didn't put too much seasoning because I want all the seasoning into the shrimp. So we'll go ahead and mix that. All of the okay, why don't you grab with this hand? I'm gonna put some adobo because everything tastes good with adobo. I've never done it with cumin, comino, but let's just add a little bit and hope for the best.
Yeah.
To give it some color, we're gonna go ahead and add some achote. Keep going.
It's getting really saucy.
It is. And we're gonna go and finish it off with our shrimp. We leave the head and the shell on it because it gives it more flavor. Go ahead. Put that in there.
Cover it?
Hmm?
Cover it with...
Yes, cover it. Let me help you. Okay, I had lowered the heat too low. Now we're gonna put the heat too high for me, please. Not high, but medium high.
6?
Yeah. If you want, you can add a little bit of water just to give it a little bit more sauce because this is a little thick. So just a bit of water, not too much. Because we're not making soup, we're making entomatada. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and cover this. I think they are ready. You can see how delicious these shrimp look. They look really good, huh?
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Really good.
We made plain rice. Le pusimos un poquito de condimento. So I want you to go ahead and serve yourself right there, Matthew.
Okay.
So let me help you. Ooh, let's get a shrimp. Uh-oh. let's get this one. Sauce. Good job. So let me get it. Ooh, making a mess. You can see that. Put a little bit more of that sauce. Get close to here, Jose. Hold on, we made a mess. Ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
Vamos a probar esta deliciosa camarón. All right, you go ahead and eat the shrimp. I'll eat the sauce. I'll never go wrong with this dish. So now you know how to make shrimp with tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Easy, right? Super easy, and I hope you enjoyed. Dios me los bendiga.
Bye.
Dios lo guarde.
Yes, Lord.
God bless. Bye.